Listen. Birds are on the move. It's fall. It's October. Many shifts are taking place. Some of them feel good, some of them not so good. Try to relinquish judgment. That's what I'm being guided to do in circumstances that are unexpected or that don't work out the way we think they will. I have these experiences, and I'm sure you do too. And very often they arise out of people projecting their judgments onto you, and then there's discomfort or maybe even a feeling like you might want to defend yourself. One of the things I love about Deepak Chopra's 7 Laws of Spiritual Success is that it talks about the art of defenselessness, and it's really best to never defend yourself, especially if you have not intended harm. I mean, you can take care of your business, but when judged, try not to defend yourself. Kind of be like, oh, okay, and then get some distance. Have a good night.